Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of RC. Now today we got something new. So today we'll be doing an unboxing. But first, I'd like to apologize for not being able to put up as many videos as I would want. Due to the current situation, we're limited to what we can do, and it kind of sucks, you know. But saying that, I did made a few purchases for the Baja, for the Rovan Baja, which I'll be doing a video about it. But today is not about the Baja. Today is about something else, and we're gonna have a look at that. So, what's inside of that box? Actually, there's nothing inside of that box because it's already here. I've already taken it out. Save you the trouble going through an unboxing. So this is the 30° North truck. I paid £450, brand new. But it is a roller. It's not RTR. The reason I went for the roller is because I've already got an engine. I just need to get the servos and a battery to go with it, and a kill switch. Remember, always have a kill switch. Very important to have a kill switch on this. Cannot stress how much important it is. So this beautiful truck arrived yesterday. I was very happy. Now, I was comparing this size to my Baja. Damn, it makes my Baja look like a midget. But yeah, it's beautiful. So the 30° North has one thing that I really like, and is its body panels. Body panels are the flexible panels, as you can see. Very flexible, and I would think that they are quite durable. And they also offer a 1-year warranty, a limited 1-year warranty up to 3 panels replacement. But it's still better than most companies, you know. Most companies don't even offer a fucking warranty for anything. So I'm happy with this. This is just going to be a short video because it's just basically opening up, just show you what's coming up, basically. Now, if you're concerned in buying a roller and you don't have all of the parts or whatever, like an air filter, they include the air filter. So, no worries. They include the air filter that works with this truck. It will get upgraded at some point, but at least you have an air filter to get you started, and that's the main thing. They also include this. So your clutch bell housing with your pinion and clutch bell on it, wheel tool, spark plugs, the mounts for the engine, well, you know, the spacers. So this one is got a 1955 gearing, I believe. It's definitely a 19 pinion. I'm not sure if it's a 55 spur, but I believe it is. Correct me if I'm wrong, please do. And they also include a fuel bottle, mixer fuel bottle, and this thing, which reminds me of something else. Ladies. And yeah, so that is it, guys. That is the unboxing. So stay tuned for upcoming videos about this, and also about the Rovan. The Rovan has gotten a few upgrades. Ooh, not too much, just showing a little bit. Rovan has gotten some upgrades, which I'll be doing in a separate video. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep bashing and have a lot of fun. I'll see you in the next episode.